Yesterday I shared two trades in the previous video that both of them hit the target. Today I see two more high probability setups. Let me show you exactly how I am planning to enter in these trades. I will show you exactly how I am planning and where I am planning to enter the trade and where my stop loss will be and where I expect the price to go, and I will apply the same strategy on two different coins. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video of your own channel, and here I will show you that how is my strategy, which type of strategy is my strategy, and how I trade, how I enter to the trades. As I told you the previous video, this one was the one of the trades and the other one was on the Solana coin that I want to show you guys that how I told you there yesterday. Yesterday I shared this setup with you guys and the price was here, and I told you that why I didn't enter from here and what was the reason. If you like to know, you can visit the previous video. First of all, if you want to go to have a trade, always we expect to find the market structure myself. So here we can see clearly that the market structure is a bullish market structure and the market is going higher and higher. And here we see clearly that the market is in a great area, that the most of the traders they enter from here and bet. Now I want to tell you that how the traders trade. For example, they go and find here this order block and they enter from here this order block, and then we will see that the market what will happen. But I myself I will not enter from this area. Why? I will tell you the reason. The reason is the liquidity. I always, after the market structure, I go towards the finding the liquidities, that where we have the liquidity and where is our order block. If you go to the 5-minute time frame, we can see clearly that our order block is exactly this order block. Why not this order block? Why not this one? Why not this one? I will tell you the reason. Most of the traders they enter from here. Why? Because they can see clearly that it is an order block, and they expect that the market should jump from here again. But I myself, it is not in my strategy. Why? Because my strategy is a strong strategy that most of the smart money traders they know about. Okay, this order block is a good order block for me. Why? The first reason is the liquidity, because this order block have the liquidity above itself. Where's the liquidity? If this move could liquid this area, I was expecting here that this area I was expecting a trade from here, but we can see clearly that it couldn't clearly liquid these areas, so it itself will be a liquidity for me. And then the other reason that how it is a good order block, because it have the clearly the we can see the FVGs, and then the other reason is that it could give us the clear break of structure from here also, and DOS. And the other reason is that it makes the liquidities here in this areas. It also make the liquidities. It have the liquidity. So I will expect this area at the liquidity, and I will trade from here. So how I enter? I told you that already that in the previous videos that I always enter from the liquidity if there is not FVG after my order block. And where will be my stop loss? Here a few point lower than the previous candle, previous shadow will be uh, my stop loss. Because sometimes the market comes down towards the liquidity and then it uh, go towards our target, and then here after that where will be my target. I already told you that my target is always 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Why? Because 3 risk reward ratio is in this strategy it give us easily as we could see here, and it could give us clearly our target. And why it is a high probability to give our target? Because we know that the most of traders they enter from here, but the market is always following to liquid those traders, and then the market comes down and liquid these areas, and then it will grow up. Okay, this one was the our first trade, and after that, after this trade, we will go towards the next coin. The next coin is, I think, yes, Glow. This one is then our next coin. That here also I had a trade from here after the sweeping this liquidity that I could give the clearly interest from here, and then I was expecting that the market should come down from here. I should have a trade, but market didn't come and went up upper of our target. Okay, so why I expect that the market should react from here? Because I told you that I enter from the liquidity from the order block. So here we can see clearly that the market after this break of structure, market comes down and liquid all of these areas. Here we can see clearly that the market liquid all of these areas, and then the market move so in a great volume. Then the market here will come down. And how I will enter from this trade, I will go, because here is a so big we can see order block, so I will expect from this 1 hour time frame order block I will enter from here. Why? Because we have a huge gap here and market will not come towards my 15-minute time frame order block. So yes, this one will be this order block will be. And why it is a good order block, again I will tell you that the first reason is this liquidities, that it liquid the previous lows, and the other one is that it could give us the clear break of structure here, and after that it itself have the liquidities from these areas, and then the market should comes down. Okay, and how I will enter? I will enter from that exactly from this 1 hour time frame order block from here. That here we can see clearly that we have the liquidities, and after that we have the gap, and I expect that the market should react from here, exactly from here. And my stop loss, my target will be 1 to 3 risk reward ratio always, and my stop loss will be a few point lower than the previous order block or shadows. Then it will be the my first scenario on this coin. But if we go to the 4 hour time frame, I should clean this one. Here we can see clearly that the market have this liquidity. It is liquidity from the 4 hours time frame, and I will after if this scenario hit or stop loss and comes towards this area, I will expect my trade from here. Why? Because we can see clearly that in the 4 hours time frame itself is the liquidity, and I will trade from here, and my entry will be here to this liquidity. My stop loss will be here, and then 1 to 3 risk reward ratio will be my target. It will be the next my scenario, but the first scenario is still that one that I told you. I always say to those who I teach and those who I say the entry or share the videos with, that your risk reward should be more than two, at least more than two risk reward ratio. Why? Because if you have the 50% win rate, that again you will be in a profit. But if you have the 50% win rate, but your target will be 1 to 1, you will not be in a profit. Okay guys, if you want daily smart money crypto setups, make sure you are subscribed, because I post this type of the videos every day. And comment if you want me to analyze any other coins that I will share in the next video, analyze in the next video with you guys. And yesterday's video that I shared with you guys, both of that trades hit the target. And here also, if you want to have this type of trade, so make sure you are subscribed. See you guys in the next video and have a great time.